how to add section pages on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to add sections to your pages on Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will open up Shopify and you'll get on right here. This is our admin. So you will click on online store. Then you will click on online store. Here we have our online store, so we need to click on customize and it will open up the customization page for us. We can edit our home page. So on our home page, if I scroll down, you will find the option of add section. Click on add section and it will allow you to add any kind of section to your store right here. We can add blog post, collage, collection list, then we have email signups, featured collections, image banner, and there are others as well. So you just select any of these different sections. You will be able to add it to your page right here on Shopify. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.